In this tutorial, you will learn how to input custom pricing information. To complete this tutorial, you will need to have your cookbook pricing sheets available. That is, you will need to determine your retail price for each unit. This should be the highest price that you charge customers, because Add2Cart offers several opportunities to discount these prices. From the main menu, tap the Product Administration button. This will take us to the Product Administration screen. During your initial setup of Add2Cart, you will need to input pricing information for each product in each category of equipment. It is important to note that you will only have to do this once, after which you will be able to store your pricing information and even share it with other comfort advisors. Adding pricing information to Add2Cart is the most challenging part of using the app, and we are working on ways to improve this process. Until then, manually entering the data is the only option. It will probably take an hour to enter all of your prices. To update the pricing information for your equipment, first select the equipment category using the tabs at the top of the screen, such as air conditioners, furnaces, IAQ, and accessories. Then select the model that you want to update by tapping its picture or model name. This will open a product pricing details screen, shown here, which will allow you to enter the price for each unit of this model. To enter a price, simply touch the existing price, which will clear, allowing you to use the keyboard to type the desired price. You can also input any promotional discounts that will be automatically applied to these units during sales presentations. All promotions and credits that you enter on the equipment page will be handled as rebates. That is, the value will be included for the purposes of calculating the tax due, but will be shown as a credit to be received after taxes, thus lowering the final cost to the customer. If you desire to enter discounts that will reduce the taxable amount due, you can enter these on the Customer Setup page. You can turn each promotion on or off using the switch located to the right of the promo amount. When you are finished inputting the prices for a particular model, return to the Product Administration screen by tapping the Back button at the top left corner of the screen. You can then repeat this process for each model and each product category. One important thing to remember is that with air handlers, you should only include the price of a coil if coil prices are the same for all sizes. If you have a different price for each coil size, we recommend that you exclude the coil price during Product Administration setup, and then add the cost of the specific coil as an adder during sales presentations. At any point, you can choose whether a product will appear in a sales presentation by coming to the Product Administration screen and tapping the On/Off switch for that product. This is used in cases where a product in your catalog becomes unavailable, and will keep you from having to explain to a customer that even though a product is listed in the sales presentation, they won't be able to purchase it. You may be tempted to turn off some lower-end products that you don't prefer to sell. If that's the case, our recommendation is to leave those products set to on, but price them higher than their list price. This will make your other products seem like better deals in comparison. If you look closely, you will also notice that some models have a gray background in the price matrix. This simply indicates that there are more than 4 units in the model line, and you can quickly verify the price for each unit by simply touching the line and dragging to the left or right. Also notice that the total of the promotions and discounts that are in effect for that model are displayed in the rightmost column. This concludes the Product Administration tutorial. When you are finished inputting product information, tap the Home button in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you back to the main menu. Next, we'll learn about the Dealer Information menu and how to customize Add2Cart with your company's logo and information.